Okay, before I do this, while I figure this out, who here doesn't know Python? Just show of hands. Please, please, I need people who don't need, because this is a very basic tutorial. Thank you, thank you. 1, 2, 3, okay. Anyone else? 4, thank you, okay. So this will predominantly be for you guys. Do you guys have Python installed on your computer? Do you have could you get your computers out? If that's okay. Okay. Do you have a computer he can borrow or something? Damn it. Okay. Maybe you can do it on your phone. I don't know. There's like online Python interpreters. Just Google online Python interpreter. Yeah. Could you just open IDLE? I don't know how to use this.
Oh, it looks like Python 3 is not installed.
Okay.
I think.
Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed the food. Okay.
Is it okay if you use a Jupyter notebook?
Yeah. Well, could you just do the online Python interpreter?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, because some people are going to be using that. We don't need to do repo. We can just do, like, there's another one that's even more basic. The more basic, the better, honestly. Because I'm starting with, like, hello world, basically. Would you mind pairing up with her? Would that be okay? Just, you guys can work together. Okay. I just ask her, do you mind if they pair up with you? Because he doesn't have a laptop. Perfect. Okay. Who else didn't know Python? Oh, her. All right. I guess everyone else knows Python. I mean, I could just sit here and present to you guys, but I'll come back up. This is the only group doesn't know Python, but that's fine. All right, can you see the board? Let me try and zoom in a little bit. Okay. How do you, it's this one, right? There we go. Okay. Can you read that? That's fine, good? All good, perfect. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. Yeah.
That's much better.
There we go. This is what we wanted. Okay. So, the first thing we'll learn is print statements. Okay? I'm going to clip this on. The first thing you learn is print statements. That's basically how you return output. Okay? This is how you're going to be doing output. The way it works is you put print and then in parentheses. Can you hear me okay? This is good? Yeah, just in parentheses put anything. So you can put hello world and then run it. Okay? And now you can see in output it prints hello world. Do you have Python open? Could you just very quickly do that so we can start? Who else is learning right now? Is it just them or you guys? Could you guys get your laptops out? Or your phones, it's fine. Are you learning? You can learn, this is good. You know what, it's never too late to learn. You can review. Okay. Do you have, Just Google online Python interpreter. Got it running? Nice. Okay. Okay, so this is how you print output, okay? Now you can put in anything here, and I'll show you can put in anything, and it works. Okay. Now, you'll notice the word inside the parentheses is in quotation marks. And the reason for that is Python or any programming language uses data types. So what we're using here is a string. So, hello. That would be a string, okay? Integers look like that. They're round numbers, whole numbers, okay? If there's any decimal point in there, I don't know, 4.3, that's a float. And finally, if you have true or false, you'll notice how the color changes whenever I put this in. That's a Boolean. Now, for now, this is all you really need to know. But we'll get into a few more later on. But for now, this is all you need to know. So just a quick test. What would this be? Integer, okay. What would this be? What would this be? Okay, good. What would this be? A string, okay. Because it's in quotation marks. That's how you denote strings in Python. So this and this are very different things, okay? The bottom one you can do math on. You can use an addition, you can subtract and all that. The top one you can't. It's like a word. Okay. What would this be? No. Because Python is case sensitive. So that is a Boolean. This won't be a string either. This would just be an error. You'd get an error message. To make it a string, you put quotation marks. Now, can you put single quotation marks? What do you think? Does it have to be double quotes? No, it does not. You can use single or double, although it's a good habit to use double quotes because sometimes you're typing a sentence like, how's it going? Since you're using double quotes, you can put an apostrophe here without it ending the string. So use double quotes, it's just better. But just know that single works as well. All right. Now, print the number 42.